Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial series, and here we're going to, in this video, we're going to go over exactly what we're going to create so you know how the course lessons will be being planned out, and you'll know exactly what to expect in each lesson series. So the first thing you see here is we have the admin panel, and we have our application title, which is To-Do Task List App, and we have add new task button, and it says the task list has been hidden or there are no tasks to display. So the first thing I want to do is add a new task, and if we add that right here, we have a new task displayed. And if we go back here and we go display tasks and we uncheck this, it says the task list has been hidden or there are no tasks to display. So let's check that back in. And then the next part I want to show you is the title here. So I'm jumping around a little bit, but I'm going to just show you all the things that we're going to be designing and programming in this tutorial series so you know exactly what to expect in each lesson series. So here we want to check. So here we have the title here, which is this, and if we change, let's say we change it and then change this to new simple application programming. Okay, so that's a long title. However, what we can find is that we can dynamically change this on the fly, and we can also display title and undisplay title, so that's something we can also do using Vue JS. And then next we have this button for display add new tasks. As you might have guessed, if we uncheck it, we have the tasks being removed and the add tasks form being re-added depending on when we have this checkbox checked or not. And then next we have the display tasks stats. So if we go down here, we see the total number of tasks, tasks left to do, checkmark tasks, and deleted tasks. So if we go here and we have one added tasks, total tasks 1, and task left to do is 1 because we just added this task. However, if we check mark it, the tasks left to do goes to 0. It's very reactive programming in Vue JS. And then we go check mark tasks 1, and we can also delete tasks. So then the task list has been hidden or there are no tasks displayed. But let's add new tasks. And the one reason that I want you guys to be aware of that Vue JS Lacks is that when you go here, when we add a new task, this doesn't go back to blank. It has something left there, and that's something that Vue JS makes it a little hard to program, and you have to do more pure JavaScript or jQuery or whatever to do some aftermath programming. However, because this is a simple Vue JS tutorial, we're learning about what you can and can't do with Vue JS as well. So I'll explain to you in one of the future videos in this series of why you can or cannot program certain things in Vue JS. Anyhow, we have more tasks added. So we have total tasks is number 6, and the deleted tasks is still 1. And let's delete one more. So we have deleted tasks 2, total tasks 5, tasks left to do 5. And let's check mark 2 of them, and then we have check mark tasks equal to 2 and tasks left to do is equal to 3. Now, when I hover over these task stats on the right side, we also have them changing depending on which one I'm hovering over. So that's something we can also do in Vue JS, and I'll show you how to do. And these numbers also change. So if I go check mark this, the check task mark button also changes here as well. And if I add, let's say so if we add enough tasks so that the tasks left to do becomes over 10 or more, then this button here changes to tasks overload, saying that you have way too many tasks, you got to start doing some of them so that you can check mark some of them and reducing the list down. So we can either check mark them, or we can also delete the tasks. And if we have below 10, we go back to being manageable. Now the last little bar that we have on our admin panel is the display task percentage bar. So this is very interesting, and I'm going to just remove, actually I'll just display the task stats as well. So if we have the completion progress bar here, basically the more numbers we check, let's check mark a few more, it becomes 54, let's delete a few, and let's see, delete. So basically this completion task progress bar is the tasks left to do divided by the total tasks, I think. Or actually, I will explain the math on how to do this later, but the math is a little complicated for me to think exactly through while presenting this right now. So we will leave that for one of the future videos in this tutorial series. But basically, it's a very simple division math. I forgot which exact numbers we're dividing, and these are the things that you want to focus on while you're actually doing the programming, not while presenting things, because basically how this works is the more tasks we complete, or we can also delete the task that does the same thing as well, and once we checkmark, either have all the tasks checkmarked or all the tasks deleted that we don't have, then this progress bar becomes 100. And if we delete all these tasks, it becomes null, or 0%. So that's the presentation or the introduction of the simple to-do list application that we will be creating. And I hope you guys will learn a lot of valuable lessons in learning the basics of Vue.js, get introduced to Vue.js framework, and hopefully see the applications of how you can use these programming techniques to program your own online front-end applications. So I hope you guys enjoyed this introduction, and I'll see you guys in the next lecture series. So have a wonderful day.